Okay, we are going to install a couple of Timberlok bolts in here to kind of stabilize the door. Okay, you want back me?
Okay. Okay, we'll have to turn the vacuum on for that. Yeah.
Okay, so even if they don't bite, the main thing is that...
I have a 10-inch.
Oh, you do?
Let's use the 10-inchers.
Okay.
I thought the 8 was plenty. I was wrong.
I was wrong. Oh, yes.
Are these self-cutting? No.
Oh, come on, get off there, you stupid. And we're going to just countersink the things a little bit.
Perfect.
It's like Garrett Morris in the limousine doing the circumcision for Saturday Night Live. Perfect. Perfect.
I gotta turn it back and get that dust out of there.
Okay. I have a dead battery, so I need to swap batteries. Okay, here we go. We're using I think it's a number 1 screw tip, Phillips, to go through here. All right, here we go.
I think you hit something. Did it start stripping?
No, it felt all right.
Okay. That one definitely got something.
Yeah, oh, both of them did. Okay, now, grab the tape measure over there. And, yeah. Let's make sure we're not screwing the door narrower. Measure at the top.
Oh, 24? Yeah, I did.
How much?
8.
1/8?
Yeah, 8 minutes. We gained a 16th there. What about this screw?
Well, that would have... Okay.
Well, we're at 23 and 15 sixteenths. We're perfect. It's 23, just right.
Okay. 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 So we have, okay, I guess we're done. We've built a dam inside of here. Here's the dam, and we're just going to fill everything in there with epoxy.
Oh, this has a spiral running down it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so did I already you just pull this plug? Pull it out with a plier?
No, cut it.
Cut it?
Yeah, got your...
In a bag?
Yeah, we pull it out a little bit.
Pocket knife right.
What?
What? Wow.
I didn't know that thing was that fucked up.
Oh yeah.
You're just gonna
Glork it full of Bondo?
Epoxy.
Because we got some thick epoxy.
Got a knife on you?
Oh, you gotta trim that behind the
Yeah. It's gonna take a knife. Unless you can pull it out.
Okay, so yeah, you got to pull it out a little bit and then trim it. Did you cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
That stuff will do it.
yeah.
You want it running downhill a little bit like that?
This? Oh yeah, it'll be fine.
Did you? It's thick.
Yeah.
Sure it shouldn't be level,
No, this
No,
is fine.
It's thick. It won't carry.
but it will run.
Yeah.
No, it's pretty thick.
Well, yeah, it is thick, but it will flow.
You got tape underneath it.
Yeah, oh yeah.
What did I do my fucking ladder? I'm telling you.
What about it? What, you got to go again?
You gonna want a putty knife?
Not right
Yeah,
now.
so
But you-
the
3 inch?
4 or 5 inch, wide. That's crazy. Cut the hole bigger. Cut the hole
Well-
back farther. Be easier to come out.
God, I hope that black was mixed.
Huh?
I said, I hope the black there was mixed.
Oh, the black what?
I hope this black here was mixed.
It'll be all right. It's hidden in there.
Well,
What do you got the vacuum on?
well, we were just using it in the switches down there. And we're on the roll.
Oh, I gotta go.
So where are you going to take them tonight?
I don't know. He wants to go to either Azteca or Red Robin.
Well, I'd go for Azteca. Let me.
You want me to squeeze some out?
Yeah, let's go ahead and cut some more off. Where's the other nozzle? Yeah, no, we need it to mix. Go there. Other side.
There, now it's coming out. It's probably gonna take both tubes, isn't it?
No, probably 2.5. But that's okay. It'll keep. Take off the dispenser end and put on the cap.
This takes 4 hours to set.
Something like that.
Well, I think we can put the last coat on with Bondo.
Yeah.
Break the gun.
Yeah. Don't know my own strength.
Oh, we're fucked now.
I don't know. I might have one. I think there's a pump gun down there.
There's a big coat.
No, I think there was another small one. Okay, and so with my Herculean strength, I snapped the handle on that cheap thing the unknown mechanic calls a caulk gun.
That was a free caulk gun.
Okay, it was a free. Well, check that baby out. That is a caulk gun. That's what CTAP1 uses to put Dicor on the RV with, the truck camper. Okay.
Well, that,
Yeah.
that tube still has some in it, doesn't it?
That one, no, that's gone.
You emptied it, right?
Yeah, it was empty. But yeah, from the instructions, I thought we had time. I thought it was like...
Didn't we buy the higher...
We bought the cheaper stuff because it had a longer work time.
Yeah.
But it still worked out fine.
Is it sanding?
Well, I don't think it really needs to much because
Did my knife ever show up?
No.
Oh, it's right here, sorry.
And this Bondo, it's tough.
I think it's going to be a good repair.
Yeah, this will be a good repair, especially with those screws in there. So yeah, we'll be able to put this door back up tonight because the Bondo will be ready in 15 minutes too.
I hope we got it screwed in there. I know our in there deep enough. The thing is, have you been able to fill the hole?
Well, I know I had it splooged in well this way.
Yeah.
I don't know about that side because...
Oh, there wasn't that much. There wasn't that much under there.
Yeah.
It wasn't all that hollow.
Okay. Now, years and years of working on muscle cars makes the unknown mechanic an indisputable expert on spreading Bondo.
Well, if that caulking gun hadn't broke,
We'd have been fine.
well,
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this. This is a good fix.
no. We'll just have to do do a little sanding with the belt sander.
So, what is your theory here, Darwin?
We just
Is
wait.
it set up? Well,
Wait.
5 minutes, then we can pull form.
Yeah. Give it as soon as you can touch it. Yeah, we can pull the form off.
Yeah, and we can sand in what, 10 minutes?
Yeah. I'm gonna get this off of here.
Okay, one door repair. It's cheaper than $1,200 or so bucks for a new door.
Wiggle it around when you do it.
Still more. All right.
You got it that time. And that's good enough for me.
You sure?
A little more then.
Okay, a little more.
Yeah, don't move on.
With it. Watch this piece. More. Okay, that's good.
Okay. That was a bigger hole to start with.
That's good. Okay, so yeah, it's still just a little bit warm, but yeah. That epoxy repair works pretty darn good.
Considering it's not made for that.
No. So there you go. Put that in your toolbox for door repair. Epoxy, Bondo, and couple of big, long 10-inch Timberlok bolts. I think we got another sample here. Yes, we do. And this is what the Timberlok bolts are doing. So as you can see, that is going to add a little bit of rigidity. What do you think there, boy?
You're deep.
Yep. So that will help.
This isn't going to be dry till tomorrow anyways.
Oh, so that's it.
We're not going to, what time is it?
Oh,
Can't imagine we're going to hang around too much longer.
5:30.
That's late enough.
Okay. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Technically, that should be brushed. Is there a brush here for that?
They say that Geico deck doesn't stick unless you use it the primer.
Oh, I'll buy that for $1.
Well, the thing is, I was thinking I'd at least put some sanding marks in this stuff before we paint it.
Yeah.
Do you think it'll stick anyway?
I think so. I mean, it's weathered flat paint. It's already got a fairly rough, coarse finish.
One coat down there should be good enough, don't you think?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Wrap it. Now remember, the doors here, we rebuilt these doors because they had rotted out. So we filled them with Bondo and epoxy, and you can watch the video on how we repaired these doors. All right.